Hi folks, we're just making this video to show the thermal performance of our thermal glass coat. Now we've got a uncoated sample here, coated sample here, and a sample of double glazing. Now we're going to use a heat lamp, and this simulates the sun in summer and in winter the heat source in the home. But of course it's exaggerated because we're not this close to either the sun or the heat source in the home. And we're going to use a BTU meter. A BTU, 1 BTU is the amount of heat that is required to heat 1 pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit. So that should help in this demonstration. Now, you can see through the uncoated glass, the BTU meter is measuring 219, 218, and on the coated glass, it drops down to 40, 39, 40, and on the double glazing, 181, 180, 181. Go back to the coated sample, 42, 41, and the uncoated, we're up to 212, 210. And now we'll go over and show you the amount of tint that's in the glass. So at the top we've got a clear sample, and at the bottom is a coated sample. It shows that there's a slight bluey green tint to it. Now that tint is about 8 to 10%. And here we've got a BTU, it's a profiler, and it measures the performance of the glass. So you can see that clear sample, uncoated, it will let through 72% of the UV, visible light 89%. So that means that 89% of the visible light is able to pass through that glass, and 77% of the infrared, which is an indication of the winter heat loss. And solar heat gain coefficient is an indication of the of your summer heat gain at 0.84. Now we'll put in a sample of coated, and you can see the UV drops down to 0%, so no UV is able to pass through that glass. 76% visible, so that means it will let through 76% of the visible light. Infrared, so it'll only let through 17% of the infrared heat, and solar, so that's your winter heat that is retained in the room, and the solar heat gain coefficient at 0.45. So that means it's blocking about half of the summer heat from coming through. So the summer heat will still come through, but it's certainly a lot less. So I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.